So when you are starting with your microscope, you want to first plug it in, and then you want to turn on the light to its brightest setting or what is the most comfortable for your eyes while you can still see the specimen. Then you'll prepare your slide and put it in this little section right here on the stage, and you want to make sure the clip is holding it in place. Then you will look through your ocular lenses and you will make sure that you can only see one specimen instead of two. So you will change the distance between the two until it is comfortable for your eyes. Then you will make sure that your objective lenses are at the lowest setting. Then you will adjust the stage to make the specimen in the center, which you will use this knob right here for. Sorry about my dog. And then you will, once it is in the center, then you use your coarse focus knob, and then you will be able to get it to as clear as you can with that knob, but it will not be a perfect image yet. So then you have to use your fine focus knob, and then once you get to a clear image, then you can go up in your objective lens. So you will start off at 4x, which is a total of 40. And then you will go to 10x, which is a total of 100. And then you will again use your fine focus knob to adjust the image and make it clear. And as you go, you can continue to go up with the magnification, but you will also have to continue to adjust with the fine focus knob. Before you get to the highest setting on your microscope, you will need to put an oil onto your slide to make it a clear image, so it'll be easier for you to see and it'll also be better for the microscope. Once you are done, you will put the magnification back to 4. You will take the stage and put it all the way down. You will take your slide off of the stage and you will turn off the microscope and unplug it. And when you are putting it away, you have to grab it by the neck right here and hold it by the base. So you will use two hands to make sure that it is safely put back in its original space.